Hi guys, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. I am gonna show you guys how to do some makeup today, and we're gonna be using tape. So I'm gonna do some like fun, alt girl, kind of maybe e-girl purple pastel is kind of the vibe that I'm thinking about today. That's pretty much my use. I like using tape because it's way easier for me because then I don't have to like go back and clean. That looks about right. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our white concealer. Anytime you put white under a color, it's just going to make it more crisp. If you do, tan or skin tone, that color tends to kind of blend in with it. Okay, it's looking crazy, I know. Just like that. I know you trust the process. Trust the process, mama. It's looking a little crazy. Okay, so I've got my base down. It's looking okay. Okay, so now we are going, this Cover Effects, I love this stuff so much. It's great. Just popping this on the sides so it blends. And just putting some on my eyebrows. Okay. My beauty blenders are not behaving. I'm thinking pastel purple. I have this Moira beauty palette here. I'm not too worried about my crease right now. I'm just getting this color on. Just getting her on there. Okay, that's looking cute. We have this more true purple. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. I'm not mad at it. She's alright. Let's go in. This is the Anastasia Riviera. I really like the Anastasia products. I have a lot. This is where we're going to go in and kind of start to make our crease. And she's creasing. Okay, yeah. I have hooded eyes, so I just follow the top of my hood. Kind of do that. We're just blending out this purple, and we're kind of, going in. We're going in a little bit on this purple. Just really blending her. Really making it, seamless. And I just take it all the way. Just take it all the way out. This color right here, on your little tiny detail brush, and just run it right in that crease. Okay, like that. And running it right into the crease. And if you have hooded eyes, you want to really put this on the top, not in your crease, because if I put this in my crease, no one's gonna see it. And then all of the work you did is like wasted pretty much if you put this directly in the crease. And again, this is my first video, so be gentle with me, fam. I'm trying my best. And then we are going to take a fluffy brush. And then where'd that, yes, this. Okay, this super light pink color. And then we're just going to kind of plop that right there. And this is only to diffuse this purple. That's all we're doing. We're just diffusing this purple that we put on here with this pink color. Okay, now we are going to take this, a little flat brush, into this sparkly color called Pearly. Okay, and we're just gonna pop that right on the inner corner. I like a lot of sparkle on my inner corner. So now we are going to take this and just really carefully start lining that upper lash line. Okay. And if this doesn't work, I do have another liner that I use if I'm feeling like really shaky or not super confident with this brush. But we're gonna try to soldier through it here for the good of fart. Yep, struggle bus supreme. Okay. Okay, so we are in it to win it at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia Petal. This is a bullet lipstick, guys. Bullet lipstick. Put her right here. Okay. Just like this. Okay. Gonna make like a little battle mask. And then this color Stargazer. I don't know if they make this anymore. But it's very crazy bright. Okay. So that looks nuts, right? You're like, wow. Okay. So now we are going to take our Booty blender. Okay. Now I'm just kind of working downward. So I'm just kind of dragging this down and out until I get to my nose, and then I'm patting it in. So that's how she's looking right now. Okay. All right. Now we're going to take, I use this a ton, not the tape. This Power Effects concealer. Okay. Right here, right here, right here, over my lip. I should do another tutorial just for my lip, because my lip is a doll lip and it's kind of hard. That's my one thing that I like. I really I mean, obviously it's a video, it's my first one, I'm gonna struggle bus, but the lip is something that is actually really challenging for me. This color, plop that down right through here. I do use my lipsticks for like lipstick purposes, but I use them a lot for blush. Okay. And then this has this is the blender that I just did all my concealer with. So it has concealer on it. So it's just really marrying the two. Okay. Really taking that, bringing it down right below my eye and down. I'll take it even up here. And I'll put a little right here. Okay. Okay, now it's time for contour. This is a contour that I made. It's a million different contours. And also some eyeshadow. But I really like it. So we're just gonna go in with her. Put her all along here. I don't usually use my finger like this. I usually put it on a sponge. So I'll take my finger, run it along here. Just deposit that right onto there. Okay, and then I'm just going to do my cheek with that. Okay, she's looking crazy right now. That's okay. Blend. That's the name of the game, really. It's just blending and patience. Okay. Now, we're going to take this guy. Use that to blend this together, right? It's hard to tell like what this is actually looking like. I'm not sure because I have like so much light on me right now. She's looking okay, I think. I'm not, like I said, I'm not 100% sure. It's hard to see under this harsh lighting, but I think she's all right. Now, I'll go ahead and take my powder. Kind of tap her off. And just powder. We're just powdering those areas. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight for y'all. This is the Anastasia Dream Glow palette. Again, she's seen some better days. I do really like this palette, especially this color right here, Unicorn. So I'm just taking it on my finger, and then we are just applying it here. See that? That's so pretty. Here. I do my chin. I go all the way down my nose. The upper, like the eyebrow area right here. And then I do my lip right there and right there. Okay. So she's on, and then I'll also go over my inner corner with this, just to kind of give it like another dimension. And sometimes I'll, depending on what I'm doing, I'll put it over my blush too. So I'll do my pink blush and then I'll put it over, depending on like how crazy I want to look that day. You feel? Okay, so she's highlighted. This is just like a cute, like quick little bam bam highlight. Okay. All right, and then eyebrows. So, and then, yeah, pants, wipe it on your pants. I didn't have my little makeup. I usually have like a makeup towel. It's always good to have a makeup towel. You wipe your brushes off, so you're not putting it on your pants, because that's not a good look, but it is for me today, I guess, because that's what I'm doing. So let me get my eyebrow, because I'm doing a purple brow today, so I'll get that going and I'll show you guys in just a sec. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my brow. I'm again using the Moira Beauty, and I'm gonna go in with this pastel purple here. It's like a blue purple. And again, I'm doing the Trixie Mattel Wet the Brush with my mouth. Whatever. You guys can hate me if you want, okay? And we are going in with the lighter color first. This is literally how Trixie does her brows. Like, she'll dip it into the color and wet it. That's where I learned this from, so you can thank her. You can thank Miss Trixie for showing me how to use my saliva to put color on, and it does stick really well. I would say it's like similar to using a setting spray. So if you guys are like clean freaks, you're like, no, that's disgusting, use a setting spray. Just spray your brush with setting spray. Okay, and purple out of the Riviera palette. This is the darkest one. Oh, try not to drop your crap, you know? Sometimes it happens. I don't know, y'all. I'm like really struggle busing with this look today. What do they say? Your first one is your worst one, right? Your first time is your worst time. It's giving that today. But I'll get better. Like the longer I do my channel, the better I'll be, the more I'll improve, right? I think that's what's supposed to happen. So I'm just dragging this out. And kind of blending it together. Because I'm like trying to look into the camera while painting. Y'all who've been doing this for a long time, is there like some kind of tip or trick that I'm not using that I should be or something? There we go. Okay. So we have our eyebrows on. Okay. And I will do, yeah, she's pretty much done except for the lip. And I also need to put my hair on and my mascara. And then I will do another tutorial just for my lip so y'all can see it, okay? If you enjoyed this train wreck of a video, please like or subscribe or leave me like a hate comment like, wow, you freaking suck, because that helps the algorithm. So every view, every comment, you're making me shine. Thank you. Bye-bye.